Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the ROIL 14-inch twin bed frame, a heavy-duty steel platform designed to support up to 3,500 pounds without the need for a box spring. This twin bed frame measures 74.5 by 38 inches, making it perfect for a 75 by 38-inch mattress, and features a unique leg design with rounded corners to prevent injuries and a reserved hole for easy headboard attachment. Equipped with rubber and anti-slip gaskets, this frame ensures a sturdy, noise-free sleep experience, thanks to its silent sponge in the middle bracket and reinforced screw lock structure. With 12.4 inches of clearance underneath, this bed frame offers ample storage space for clothes, boxes, suitcases, toys, and quilts, while 4 mattress stoppers keep your memory foam mattress securely in place. Assembly is a breeze with the included instructions and tools, allowing you to set up this sleek black frame in just 20 minutes, and for added convenience, an installation video is available upon request. Whether you're looking to maximize storage or enhance your sleep quality, the ROIL twin bed frame is a versatile and practical choice for any bedroom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.